everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I am just getting off of work and I figured I have some time tonight to try this colored hair wax. So I think I'm gonna head home, wash my hair, and see if this shit covers blue or not. I haven't seen anybody try this wax on bright colored hair, so this may be cute or it may be hella ugly. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, wash my hair, and then I'll go ahead and we'll try it together. So we'll see how this works. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay everybody, so my hair is freshly washed and I just put a little bit of my Giovanni conditioner as a leave-in. I don't really have anything else in it because let's be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna leave this shit in my hair or not. I may end up washing it out, I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I have like 2, 4, 6, 7 different colors. There's red, I have white, violet, which I think I'm gonna try the violet, blue, green, yellow, ash. Like there's a whole crap ton of colors that I have here. So I think, like I said, I'm going to try the violet. I feel like that's the only color that's gonna like really cover up blue, or if it combines with blue, it's not gonna look nasty. So yeah, green and all that other jazz, that's not gonna work. The company is, oh my God, Mofajang. I will try to link these in the description box below. These were given to me by Linwood of Glamfam. He just wasn't about it, so I figured I would try them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this violet color, which So this is what the violet looks like. I have been a shade of this color before. If I can find a picture, I will pop it in there for you guys to see. But yeah, there's not really any instructions. Not to hurt the hair, easy to wash, natural stereotypes are not rigid. This product is a one-time hair color, water soluble, non-greasy, natural matte finish, fresh and natural scent. It does smell sort of good. It smells sort of like a men's aftershave. With a distinctive three-dimensional hair layer, the lines are exceptionally dynamic, lasting, shaping strong shape, okay. And bright, shiny hair, unique personality, okay. Let's see what the usage says. After the net hair, take a small amount of mud in the palm of your hand, circular rubbing uniform, try to get on your finger, then gently pull the finger form from the hair root from the bottom up to smear evenly. Okay, I don't understand anything they said, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit on my hands. Let me take off my ring first before my husband kicks my ass. Okay, so it is a pretty thick consistency, and I don't know why I'm so scared to do this, but okay. So I'm gonna rub it in my hands, and I'm just gonna start putting it in my hair. And we'll see how that looks. So far, it's changing it. Gonna do all of my blue area. I'm not gonna put any on the sides or anything like that, but I'm gonna get the back and all of this jazz here. It doesn't feel like real thick and heavy. It doesn't feel super waxy. It feels more like a thicker, like a leave-in or hair cream. So that's good. But it doesn't stink. Like I said, it smells like a men's aftershave. So I'm just trying to make sure to get it all on my hair. A little bit on this side here. I hope you guys can see me. I got my head all tilted sideways like The Exorcist because I'm trying not to get it all over my face. The only thing I'm worried about is that it's heavier than products that I usually use on my hair. And my hair is thin. She does not like a lot of product, and she will stay stringy looking if I have too much stuff in my hair. So hopefully this dries and it's not so heavy. But yeah, it feels okay. It doesn't feel like drying or anything like that. It's nice and moisturizing feeling, so that's good. So yeah, we will see how that looks when it's dry. I mean, the blue is gone. It's definitely gone. You can't see the blue at all. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands off. Okay, I went ahead and washed it off my hands. It came off really, really easy with just some water. It didn't stain, which is good. Okay, so this is what it looks like wet. Let me go ahead and spin around for you guys in the back. I hope I got it in the back because I didn't look. But I guess we will see when it's dry. All right, so I will be back when it's dry and we'll see how it turns out.
6 months later.
Hey everybody, it is the next day. I'm sorry, my hair takes way too damn long to dry for me to film this last night, but it is the next day. It looks really good. It dried down really, really crunchy, like a really, really hard gel, so I did have to work with it a lot to soften it up. It's still pretty stiff, more stiff than what I like, but you know, that's if you're somebody who doesn't really mind your hair being a little crunchy, then this will be fine. But yeah, it worked just sort of like a gel, like the way it held. Yeah, it defined my curls pretty well. It didn't transfer on any of my bed, you know, my sheets or my pillowcase or my scarf. If it's a little wet or your fingers are a little wet, it does transfer just a little bit on your fingers. So be mindful of that. You know, if you're one to touch your hair a lot during the day and your hands are a little more sweaty, then you're gonna have, you know, whatever color your hair is, your fingers are gonna be. For the most part, I really like it. It's a really, really cute, easy way to change your hair color for a few days. There's really not any of my blue showing through, so yeah, I really, really like this. I think I'm gonna try some more colors and see how those work out. I think this would be good for people who have curly hair or wavy hair. I'm not so sure how it would be on people with straight hair, being that it's sort of a hard hold gel. So you might want to be mindful of that. But everybody else who has curly hair or wavy hair, I think this would be an amazing way to change your hair color. So yeah, I give it a thumbs up. I really like it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Also, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Comment below if you guys have tried this or tried any other brands, if you guys liked it or didn't. Anyway, thank you guys. I will see you all next time.